All right, first mad dash of the week, of course, since we have 6 minutes before we get started with the first trading day of the week. You want to talk a little Salesforce?
Yeah, sure. Salesforce has got 2 upgrades ahead of the quarter. And the problem with that is the 28th. The reason why I fear, not 2 upgrades, 2 price target bumps, which is kind of like an upgrade in the sense that, wow, you know what, this is going to do better than expected. Now, David, my problem with that is that now it sets up a quarter that is going to be difficult, given the fact that the bar's been raised. But they are a big user of AI, of Jensen, and what they use it for are queries. You know, queries is basically the reference part, the inference part, okay? I should say inference. 40% of their business at NVIDIA is, can you infer? So I ask you a question, and they're asked trillions of questions, which would say, what would make it so that you would buy more Ducatis? That's a good customer. And the answer will come very quickly, and you speak to it. You don't have to do a query. You don't have to go to a data scientist. So the head of Ducati can ask the question. The head of Brunello Cucinelli could ask the question. I think they understand Italian. So what happens is that you get the answer very quickly about what would make it so they would, or what color would they, or what sales pitch, and that's what Salesforce is doing. That's how they use AI, and I think it's pretty impressive.
So they're one of the companies that will show meaningful, you think, improvement in their overall metrics as a result of the use of generative AI?
Absolutely. I think that's going to be the theme
for their
of their
customer
conference
base.
call. Yeah. Now, it is interesting that they're not mentioned. It's always been ServiceNow that's mentioned, and yet I think that these guys are using it very well because Einstein, which is their artificial intelligence, in a lot of ways is powered by this kind of chip. So I just say that it's bar is high, but it'll be the first company not really pushed by NVIDIA to talk about NVIDIA.
All right, we'll keep an eye on Salesforce shares, of course, and the broader market as well. Opening bell is just 4 minutes away. And by the way, don't forget, you can catch us anytime and anywhere. Please listen to and follow the Squawk on the Street Opening Bell podcast.